gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look.
It is today. Today is today.
Farmer, you always give me dry hay to eat. Why don't you let me go to the woods? I want to eat the sweet green grass.
At the bottom. Yeah, I'm sorry.
There was a wolf who lived in the woods.
Window.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game, now we say I need a break. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you hate on that. I don't play both sides, don't need no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, that's what they come down with guns. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun, and now you're gonna face time to build a gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it, but I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming.
Guys, it's early. It's just so good to be here and just rest, relax, wake up early, go for a walk, drink a coffee. It's just an amazing time whenever I'm here. The vibe is just right. I'm at peace. I mean, look at me. I'm damn near in my nightgown just walking like I live here. And that's the vibe. You feel at home. Especially if you're like abroad and you're longing for Jamaica, but like an authentic AIRBNB.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Camera. Imagine waking up to this like view every single day. Every single day. Every single day. It's amazing. It's amazing. Once sleep, I mean, I pick off my face. It's a come off though, but I don't want to visualize me. And my period, like, I'm about to burst. It's about to be like flooded, blooded, because I'm breaking out and it is hormonal.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought and some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison the ride, Head full of flies, so here come the clouds, They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost, Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time, it's how you operate a cadence. I flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit because it's temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
About to head home, back to Portmore. It was amazing. The river is amazing. The scene is amazing. The food, ooh, you saw that loaded fries. Bye. It's so good. So again, Kingston Reggae, thank you so much for hosting me. This is my only fear is that now you guys know when I'm at crap, they're gonna come up here often because it's also a chill spot. Now go for the map myself, my wipe up, but I'm a good tenant. I'm a good, what call it? AIRBNB. I broke my toe, and I don't know if you guys can tell which one. I broke my little toe, this one. I thought it was sprained, but as you can tell, it's like, I don't know if you can tell, but it's fatter. It is discolored, and yeah, it's either broken or rotten off. I don't think it's rotting. I just think it's broken. It hurts. It hurts to stand for long periods. When I say long period, I put it on a bus. When we did the Alpha Tree for up a Golden Spring, I was in pain. And that don't happen to me. Like my foot was hurting. I was like, why the hell my foot hurting me? And usually it's attributed to my weight gain. But I did not have any weight gain. So I was like, what the hell is going on? So yeah, I look up my foot on the chair, on the plastic chair on the veranda. I'm gonna do one video. But you might have the body. When I have the body, I'm gonna do the video. It takes more than finesse. That's straight Jesus. So I try to match it out also, and I rush back up my toe. Two jelly step on it. I say to do most fresh out the blood cleanse. So yeah, I have a broken toe. But it's morning as we slept the night away. As you lay. So I'm lactose intolerant, which means I can't have milk. But you know I should unroll it from day one. Sorry, what I do every time I have milk, and if I drink milk, I'm hella bloated. But I don't call it bloating, I call it oh my god, I'm pregnant. So this is my little hack. I hope you guys aren't seeing my butt. Oh look how my clothes tear up. I don't know why I'm an influencer. I don't know. I'm not an influencer, I don't know why. So Pour Me Fitness, new designs coming, but Pour Me Fitness. Stay with me, okay?
Mommy, just watch a guy fighting something, the red name again, a rabbit, and the man offered to like 4 heads.
Really? Yeah. Lila drinking tea like I'm gonna drink my coffee. You have your straw? Yeah, I forgot for straw theme. Cause he want a straw like I'm gonna drink my coffee. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video, and bye. Thanks for watching this vlog.